Imagine you could hit a reset button and start your trading journey all over again, but this time with all the knowledge and experience you have gained. What would you do differently? Today I'm going to share with you how I would learn day trading fast and effectively if I had the chance to start over. This will be a journey of hindsight, insight and foresight. So let's dive into it. Before we jump in, a bit about myself. My name is Rens and I've been navigating the highs and lows of trading for around 6 to 7 years already. I have seen markets soar and I've seen markets plummet, and I've learned hard but valuable lessons along the way. So if I could go back in time and guide my younger self, here's what I would say. Step 1. Educate before investing. Step 1 is all about education. I would devour books on trading strategies, economics and market psychology. I would enroll in online courses and attend webinars. I would be soaking up knowledge like a sponge. The goal is to build a strong foundation before we are even thinking of trading with real money. Step 2. Paper trading. Next step, paper trading. This is your training grounds. This is where you apply your newfound knowledge in a simulated environment. And I would take this really seriously, tracking my trades and performances as if it was real money, because this is where you build confidence and refine your strategies without any financial risk. Step 3. Start small and scale. When it's time to transition to real money, I would start small and scale up bit by bit, because trading is not about making a fortune overnight. It's about learning the rhythm of the market, understanding your own emotional response to wins and losses, and gradually increasing your stakes as your confidence and skills are growing. Step 4. Choose the right broker and platform. Choosing the right broker and platform is like choosing the right partner in this journey. I would look for platforms with user-friendly interfaces, low fees, where you can use analytical tools and where they have a good customer support. A good broker can make a huge difference in your trading experience. Step 5. Learn technical analysis. I would immerse myself in the world of technical analysis. You name it. Charts, patterns, certain indicators would become my new best friends. Understanding these tools is critical for making informed trading decisions. I would practice reading charts daily, trying to identify trends and looking for potential trade setups. Step 6. Fundamental analysis. I wouldn't just stop at technical analysis, because fundamental analysis is also very important. Understanding the broader economic factors that affect the market, like interest rates, GDP growth and employment rates. All of this helps in making well-rounded trading decisions. Step 7. Risk management. Risk management wouldn't just be a part of my trading strategy. It would be my trading mantra. Learning to set smart stop losses, manage position sizes and diversify my portfolio would be top priorities. This step is all about protecting your capital and staying in the game. Step 8. Join trading communities. Community is key. I would join Discord groups, go to online meetings and even go to local meetups with other traders. Engaging with other traders, sharing experiences and gaining insights from different perspectives is really valuable. Sometimes the best lessons come from other traders who have already experienced all of it. Step 9. Embrace mistakes and learn. I would embrace every mistake as a learning opportunity. In trading, losses are inevitable, but they are also full of insights. I would analyze each loss, understand what went wrong and refine my approach. I would even do this with winning trades. What went right here? What did I do right? Why was this a good trade? This is how you grow and improve as a trader. Step 10. Stay updated and keep learning. The market is an ever-evolving beast. Staying updated with the latest news, market trends and latest technology is crucial. I would subscribe to financial news outlets, follow market analysts on social media, and continually update my knowledge and skills. So let's quickly recap these steps. Educate yourself, practice with paper trading, start small and scale, choose the right platforms, master technical analysis, understand fundamental analysis, prioritize risk management, join trading communities, learn from mistakes, and stay updated and informed. And also keep learning. These are the pillars of a solid trading foundation. To all the new traders out there, remember, every expert trader was once a beginner. Patience, persistence, and willingness to learn are your greatest assets. Don't rush the process and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Your trading journey is unique and every step is valuable. I would love to hear about your trading journey and any lessons you have learned along the way. Share your experiences in the comments, ask questions, and let's learn from each other. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this. Remember, the journey in trading is as unique as the markets themselves. These steps I've shared are the steps I wish I knew when I started. Whether you are just beginning or are looking to refine your approach, I hope these insights help you further on your journey. So stay tuned for more tips and strategies in future videos. Until then, keep trading, keep learning, and stay curious, guys.